Welcome back. One new coronavirus positive case has been reported in Ghaziabad, taking now the total positive cases to 28. Now, the patient here is a 57-year-old businessman from Ghaziabad who has a travel history from Iran. He's currently undergoing treatment at Delhi's Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital. And on Wednesday, a Paytm employee, also remember, from Gurugram tested positive. So far, 17 Italian tourists from one group have also tested positive and are being treated in Gurugram and Rajasthan. There are 6 positive cases in Agra and a positive case on an increase, and the union government has ordered screening at all international flights arrival and passengers coming into the country. More than 6 lakh flyers have already been screened so far. But importantly, in Delhi NCR, the number of coronavirus cases has surged to 4 already in Delhi NCR, with one more person also testing positive for the deadly virus. The 57-year-old from Ghaziabad had travelled to Iran, and the Ghaziabad Health Department officials are saying that the man had returned from Tehran only on 23rd February. But they received the information about this trip only on 2nd March. 2 of his family members, 3 staff members are also under home quarantine. Earlier, 2 cases were reported from Delhi and Gurugram, both patients returning from Italy. The Delhi government has directed all primary schools in Delhi to remain shut until 31st March. Union Health Minister Harshvardhan visiting the Indira Gandhi International Airport for a universal screening test yesterday. This as centre mandated the screening of all international passengers at all airports across India.
सारे देश भर में 6 लाख से ज़्यादा लोगों की स्क्रीनिंग अभी हम लोग कर चुके हैं। सारी अंतर्राष्ट्रीय फ्लाइट्स की अंदर आने वाले पैसेंजर्स की स्क्रीनिंग कर रहे हैं। बहुत स्मूथली सारा काम हो रहा है। यहाँ आने का मकसद यही था कि गहराई से समझें कि अगर कोई किसी प्रकार की पैसेंजर को कठिनाई हो रही है या हमारे जो सहयोगी लोग इस काम को बड़ी सफलतापूर्वक कर रहे हैं, उनमें से किसी को तो कोई तकलीफ नहीं हो रही। तो मुझे बहुत आनंद की अनुभूति हुई कि बहुत स्मूथली सारा काम हो रहा है।
ये जो है एक व्यक्ति थे 57 साल के, ये अपना तेहरान से घूम कर आए थे। ये आए हुए तो करीब 23 फरवरी को लौट आए थे, लेकिन हमारे को जो सूचना शासन से मिली थी वो 2 मार्च को मिली थी। तो जैसे ही हमको ये सूचना मिली तो जो एड्रेस था वो थोड़ा अलग था, तो इनको ट्रैक करते करते हम जहाँ पर पहुँचे तो इनको ये ट्रैक करते हुए 3 तारीख को हमने इन्हें ट्रैक कर लिया था। वहाँ पर हमने इनको फीवर से ग्रसित थे, 2 दिन से फीवर आ रहा था, और इनका हमने सैंपल उसी दिन लिया और सेम डे हमने NCDC लैब दिल्ली में भेज दिया था।
Ashwara is joining me with all the latest. Ashwara, you've been there at the airports and at other locations, but this is also a shocking case. This individual had to be tracked down because he returned in last week of February but did not inform the authorities. So what is the current status now? Where are you? What sort of steps are being taken? Tell us more.
Well, the government is taking all the steps possible to make sure that the number of cases do not increase. But yes, the last case which has come to the fore definitely is raising some kind of questions about the screening which is taking place. But we at the airport have spoken with a couple of passengers, and most of them said that stringent screening is definitely taking place. But yes, what's very important to note is immediate family members, immediate people who are in contact with those who have been tested positive are also being asked that they also should get themselves tested. We have seen this happening in Paytm. In this case also, the man's wife and his son have been tested, and we are still awaiting the results.
All right, so it seems at least the administration in different areas are staying cautious. Ashwara, thank you so much. Keep tracking the latest. So now, apart from the positive cases, the industry that has been directly and immediately impacted by the coronavirus crisis is the travel industry. Several hotels in Delhi NCR region are reporting cancellations. Namila Jamal bringing us this ground report about the hotel industry. Take a look. As coronavirus cases surge across India, the hospitality sector is bearing the brunt. Like other parts of the world, last few days have been massively disappointing for the hotel owners in the country, particularly in the national capital, Delhi.
Hotels are running dry, restaurants are running dry. It's become a great concern for people running these hotels and restaurants. This was ideally supposed to be season time, but unfortunately, business has dropped by at least 50%.
Mahipalpur in Delhi is a popular destination for tourists in the transit. Coronavirus has dented business across 200 hotels in its vicinity.
It was very sad for our trade. Due to coronavirus, we have dropped. My business has been dropped to 50%. We have there was a lot of groups has been cancelled. We have groups from the France, we have from Malaysia. They have all been cancelled.
Over the last 3 days?
Yes, in the last 3 days only, and so it's huge losses we can say in the market.
The health department, however, has been keeping these hotels busy. Sensitization programs are conducted at hotels across Mahipalpur to train the staff on how to keep the virus at bay.
हम अपने जितने भी जो वर्कर्स हैं उन्हें बता रहे हैं कि इससे कैसे बचना है। हमने उनको सैनिटाइजर यूज करना के लिए दे दिया है और अच्छे केमिकल्स हम लोग जहाँ हैंडल्स हैं, ग्लास वगैरह है, रिसेप्शन काउंटर है, वहाँ हम लोग उसमें ठीक से सफाई कर रहे हैं।
Hotels are trying hard to compensate by slashing room prices by 30% and are increasing their food and beverage promotions.
Several international companies had organized business conferences and meets right here at the national capital. Most of them stand cancelled owing to the coronavirus risk. Companies do not want to expose their employees to unknown risks. And naturally, even leisure travel has taken a big beating. While hotel owners, though, have come to terms with it. They say they'd rather be safe than sorry. With camera person Sanjay Kumar, Nabila for India Today, Delhi.
And of course, out of these 28 cases, the biggest group has been of those 17 Italian tourists so far testing positive for the novel coronavirus in India. The wife of the infected Italian initially in Jaipur also has now tested positive. So the infected woman, along with her husband, are now being treated currently at Jaipur's SMS Medical College. The couple had travelled to India from Italy recently, were on a vacation. The other 15 infected Italian tourists, which were a part of that group, are also undergoing treatment at a hospital in Gurugram. Their tour bus driver had also contracted the virus and is now undergoing treatment in Delhi. Meanwhile, DGCA has tightened aviation rules for passengers coming to India from Italy and South Korea. According to new rules, flyers from Italy and Korea would require to submit a coronavirus negative certificate. The rules will be implemented from 10th March. So globally, the novel coronavirus has killed more than 3,300 people. There are now more than 97,000 global cases with infection, and we're talking about globally with infections in at least 85 countries. But let's start with India. We already have 28 cases so far, but no casualty has been reported. But China, which is the center of the outbreak, has 80,565 cases, that with 3,422 deaths that have been reported. Italy is the most infected, while if we stay with Hong Kong first, and then with 80,565 cases with 3,000 over deaths, Italy is the most infected state. Let's now get you an update from South Korea as well. South Korea has 6,285 cases, the highest outside China where the outbreak happened. So in Hong Kong, Japan, Thailand, Malaysia, we're taking you through all different countries. With Japan, 1,054 cases, but 12 deaths also being reported. Pakistan also has about 5 cases, with Thailand as well and Malaysia confirming 50. But like India, 0 deaths being reported in Malaysia. Let's go to Singapore. Confirmed cases 117. Fewer compared to other countries, no casualties. Singapore, in fact, is being appreciated for the measures that have been taken. Our neighboring country, Pakistan, 5 confirmed cases, 0 deaths, but also they were ensuring not to get their students back there in the country. Iran also at a high alert there with 3,513 cases, 107 casualties being reported from the coronavirus cases. Let's go to Germany. In Europe, there's been 400 cases, but 0 deaths being reported in Germany as well. Another country, Switzerland, confirmed cases 87, but yes, also 1 death has been reported there from Switzerland. And about France, 7 deaths, 423 confirmed positive cases there in the country. And in UK, yes, 1 death was recently reported, remember, with over 100 confirmed cases coming in. So this, of course, is the map of globally, and Italy with 3,858 and a large number of deaths with 148. Remember, anybody coming from Italy are being immediately told to be screened and also go ahead with the testing. So what's been happening from across the globe, taking you now through all the updates on coronavirus.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.